Air pollution is the greatest external threat to human life on the planet. It's worse than smoking, it's worse than car crashes, it's worse than alcohol. But the most important thing to take away is that air pollution is not a law of nature, it's a choice.
The places in the world where pollution is the worst, where most carbon emissions are expected to occur for the remainder of this century, are also places that are desperately focused on growing their economies. These countries have always thought they needed to choose between economic growth and environmental quality because they've been relying on costly and difficult to enforce command and control pollution rules. But there's another option, markets. With markets, they don't need to choose. They can reduce pollution and drive growth. That's why we've launched the Emissions Market Accelerator to work with governments in the Global South and help them design, build, and implement markets and monitor their success.
The way it works is the government sets a cap on the total pollution all factories can emit. Each factory gets a share of that total as permits. If a factory can cut pollution cheaply, it can sell unused permits to another factory for whom reducing emissions is more expensive. This way, the overall pollution stays under the cap, but industries can meet the rules in the most cost-effective way.
A factory might install new equipment. Another invests in cleaner fuel. A third buys permits. Everyone finds the cheapest path to the same goal. The result? Pollution drops faster than traditional regulation could ever achieve. Compliance goes up because incentives align, and industry often finds it's actually profitable to pollute less.
Emission market started in the US and Europe. And the thought that we had at the University of Chicago was, could this work in a growing economy like India?
Gujarat is one of the most industrialized states in the country, and we are known as a growth engine of the country. It also poses challenges of the air pollution. So cleaning our air with development going on, it's a real challenge.
In 2019, together with the Gujarat Pollution Control Board, we launched the world's first particulate matter emissions trading system in Surat. And the market caused these terrific outcomes. It caused the increase in compliance, it caused the reduction in pollution, and it caused the increase in industry profits.
फायदा तो जब हवा शुद्ध मिलेगा तो हेल्थ अच्छा रहेगा. हमारे कामदार भी इसी में वातावरण में रहते हैं पूरे दिन, तो उनकी भी हेल्थ अच्छी होगी तो वो कैपेसिटी के हिसाब से काम करेगा. तो हम लोग ने ये देखा कि जो हमने सैम्प्स लगाया है, जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक है, जो 5, 6, 7 लाख रुपए का है, तो वो हमने कैलकुलेट किया कि भाई ये पूरी एक्सरसाइज की तो हमारा पैसा जो सैम्प्स का खर्चा एडिशनल नहीं हुआ है वो हमने इसमें से मिल गया. सप्लाई के हिसाब से डिमांड कम हुआ तो रेट भी कम हुए. वो जो फायदा हुआ एक एडिशनल फायदा हुआ.
With enthusiastic results of the Surat pilot study, now we have expanded its wings into other parts of the state of Gujarat. What began as a program designed to address Surat's specific problem is now being recognized globally, just as we uncover the immense impact it could have if scaled across India and overseas.
If we can have that happen in India, it is then hard for other countries which have similar growth and environment problems to then not be inspired. If it could work in India, it could probably work in our country.
The most important lesson from Surat is that pollution markets can work in the Global South. And that's the place where the pollution problems are the greatest and the need for economic growth is the most urgent. Pollution markets provide a way for societies, governments, and people to find this right balance between these two vital goals.